Do not post content and think that's the only thing you have to do on LinkedIn, because every social media platform has its way of promoting content to a huge audience. And for LinkedIn, it's all about value. What do you have to offer? What do you have to give out to the world before you are asking for something? So just posting content on LinkedIn won't get you that client. It's not about every day you're posting this, every day you're posting that, every day I'm this, every day I'm that. Oh, I post every day and I post every morning, I post every afternoon. Even if you're posting 2 times a day, without the right strategies, it's not going to attract the right audience. First, you need to start with a content strategy. What are you posting about? What is even your niche and who are you targeting? That is the first thing you need to figure out before posting out content, because you need to post something that resonates with people, not just to post to get likes and engagement. And that's it, because after the whole charade and all that, what exactly are you getting out of that thing you're posting? That's the question. I know you're wondering why. Now, how do you get huge clients to pay you for your services on LinkedIn? There are several things to do. There are several strategies. There are cold callings, there are cold DMs, there are this, there are that. But I'm just going to share with you 3 main strategies that I know that would help you to get huge clients on LinkedIn. So stay with me, and please, before you continue watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It's going to encourage me more. We are close to 500. Please make it happen. So the first thing is, I call it the reach out strategy, or I don't know however you tag it, but it simply means you're searching for top decision makers in the industry you want to work for. And you need to really narrow it down to a specific niche, title, industry, including the location. For example, you are a content writer. So you get on LinkedIn and search for business owners or search for coaches. Maybe these people are the ones you should target, or the ones you are targeting. So when you search for these people on LinkedIn, the next thing you need to do is to check out for industry, filter it down to the industry, filter it down to the location of the people you want to work for, the niche, everything. You need to narrow it down to the particular people you want to really focus on, language, the choice of niche and all that. So after you're done with that, then you filter the people you want to really connect with, not people that are not online, because there are a lot of thought leaders that are not really online, right? So but you need to know the people. You need to check out the people that are online or active on LinkedIn, or even if they are reposting other people's content, that means they are active on LinkedIn, and you can connect with them and engage with their content, and also engage in the DM, because they want to really notice you. They want to know who you are. And when you send them a message, they are likely going to check out your profile to see, oh, this person is this thing, this is this person. Oh, okay, she's really good. He's good. I mean, okay, let me watch this person and see if he is a good fit for this job. So when you put yourself out there and put yourself to their face, let them see you. They might not really see you or your posts or even engage, but if you are constantly checking up on them, it starts with a simple conversation, a greeting. And before you do this, you already made a research about who they are, what they are doing. You already made a research about the industry they are, because even if you click to get to a B2B kind of business, business to business, you still need to narrow it down to, do you want to work for a tech founder? Do you want to work for people that are in the coaching business? Do you want to work for people that are in the health sector? Do you want to work for people that are in the sports sector? There are several niches and several industries and companies. You want to work for someone at Amazon? You want to work for someone who is a major decision maker at Microsoft? Or you want to work for someone at Google? There are a lot of things you need to check out. Narrow it down to the rank. Is the person an HR? Is the person the COO? Is the person this or that? The deeper you narrow it down, the better for you. And it's going to help you more to really target the right people in terms of conversations and in terms of letting them know who you are and understand you. Don't be afraid to reach out to people. I know it doesn't hurt anybody. Don't be afraid. Even if the person ignores you, you can go back tomorrow and say, hey, how are you? Oh no, just be proactive and be intentional about this thing. Not because one person ignored you and you kind of like sleep. No, you reach out to a lot more other people. You never know who is going to reply or shoot a reply. Hey, how are you? Thanks for messaging, and the conversation starts going and something good comes out of it. And at the end of the day, you start to gradually introduce your offer and services to them. That's pretty much simple, right? But it's not that simple. I'm telling you, it's not simple, but you have to try. The second method is when you search for jobs in a specific niche on LinkedIn. For example, I'm still using content, so let me use content marketing and narrow it down to the location, narrow it down to the industry, etc. So the first thing you need to do is to read more about the company. It's very important. Take your time to read more about the job title, the job description, and everything that is needed of you. Don't just be in a hurry to apply to so many jobs without knowing exactly what to do or what the job is for or who it is for, and also the qualification for getting that job. So after you've read more about the company and apply, the second thing you need to do is to reach out to the job poster. Every job on LinkedIn, every posted job has a particular person that posted the job, and reach out to them. You are going to be at the forefront because they have noticed you, and you can tell them, hey, this person, I applied for this kind of job, hi, this, that. I'm giving you a premium tip, so write this down and practice it. And it's going to help you, especially if you have a strong brand on LinkedIn, if you have a strong brand positioning and you're always active, you're posting valuable content around your niche. That is even the main reason why you shouldn't be generic. You shouldn't just come up every single morning, hey, today's this thing, tomorrow is this, tomorrow is that, next tomorrow is that. You need to be consistent on what you're doing, and your message to be consistent across all channels, and what you're talking about needs to be known by a lot of people. We need to know exactly what you're doing, and it will help you when you reach out to top decision makers or the job poster about the particular job you applied for and what you really want. And for the newbies, even if you are a newbie on LinkedIn, you need to focus on giving out value and try these strategies I just highlighted. It's really gonna work for you. Now, I see a lot of people, they are just 1 month on LinkedIn. I mean, even if you're a week and you're already in a hurry to get jobs, you can try these strategies, but make sure your account is fully optimized and make sure that you are giving out value. You are a graphic designer, you are a content writer, you are a virtual assistant, or however you put it. People need to know that you are this person and you are really doing this thing. And the third strategy, which is the third thing you need to do, is to follow related people who are decision makers in your industry and engage with them regularly. For example, you follow someone who is in the US, check that person's profile. There are going to be a lot more other people who are related to that niche, and trust me, this is huge. So it's going to be easier for you to connect with people who are within the same niche faster. But don't be in a hurry, and please know that you don't have to view a lot of people's profile at once. You need to slow it down, and everything's going to work out. So when you follow them, you engage with them regularly. When you are constantly engaging with those decision makers, they post content, you engage, you're always engaging, they are going to notice you. They are going to notice this person, and they won't really hesitate to check your profile. Who is this person? He's always commenting, he's always trying to put something thoughtful, not just about I like, I agree. Comment something valuable. You read the post, you digest it. What exactly is this person saying, and what is your contribution to that thing? What can you contribute that other people can read and learn from you, and also check out your profile? That is how you get clients, because your ideal client or your huge client that you are praying for might be someone who is reading your comments and trying to see if this person is of high value. Does this person fit this category of job that I want to hire for? So these are the things that you need to do, and let me know in the comments, are there other things you'd like me to talk about on job, making money, and etc. So let me know in the comments what you learned today, what are you going to practice, and also let me know your thoughts on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video to every other person who will benefit. Thanks so much and bye.